fucking world.
What is happening? What is happening?
You put camera in my house?
Ah, don't do that, sir.
You put camera in my house?
Sir.
You put speaker in my house? You put camera in my house, Jeff?
Sir.
Jeff!
Sir.
You put a motherfucking camera in my house? Did you put a camera in my motherfucking house? Huh? What the fuck? Yeah, let it off for me. Let it off for me. Let it off for me. Hey! 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 Boy! Hey! Man a boy! Man a boy! Man a boy! Don't choke me.
Stop.
Last time when you motherfucker choke me, somebody shot at me.
Hey.
And you come choke me.
Boy,
And you
listen.
come fucking choke me.
Listen.
And you choke me. And
Listen.
someone shoot after me.
And nobody's shooting at you.
Somebody shot after me.
Nobody's shooting
I'm
at
gonna make
you.
a complaint. I want to make a fucking complaint. I want to make a fucking complaint.
Sir.
Fuck
Sir.
my crap.
Yes, sir. Okay. Fine. Fine.
Man, right here, man. Right here,
I'm
man.
going to listen to
Yeah,
you.
man. Listen to you, man.
Right? I'm going to allow you to talk. Don't do what you're doing. Just stop.
No,
Just stop.
You need to be properly embarrassed. That you're
Hey.
ashamed to the police force.
Come on, we're gonna get
Your
them
road
right.
force.
No problem.
The fucking shame.
No
and
problem.
disgrace.
Okay.
A shame.
Fine.
And disgrace.
Fine.
The whole fucking the world sick.
All right.
The world sick.
Okay. And I agree with you. All I'm saying is just calm down and let's talk. Let's deal with the situation.
I'm going to start talking about your phone. So why not do it? I'm going to hear about your blood. Stink bag. Hey girl, you can keep the put here sharp like on your head. Yo, girl bring her blood out, wedding dress up on my yard, you know. And my mother dead. I hear put this to the phone, man. They are her food, me I eat no dog. Mother dead, I hear it. And the girl have her wedding buckler dressed in her mother closet. My mother clothes burned up. And she have her wedding pussy cloud dressed in the blood closet.
Big man. Big man. No, at this point you're going too far.
Fine.
Listen.
Let's go.
If you use one more expletives out here, right? They will caution it. Right? And at this point I'm going to arrest and charge you if you don't listen. Alright? I'm going to arrest and charge you if you don't listen. Don't care how bad you want to tell yourself that you are.
Yeah, some madman on the road, yeah?